In this video we're gonna talk about the problem of the Sony FX6 combined with a polarized filter. If you ever used the Sony FX6, you probably fell in love with its internal variable ND filter, but if you combined it with a polarized filter you will get unusable footage. It's simply optical physics, not Sony's fault or bad product design, but how can we solve the problem? If you need to work with a polarized filter for your project because you're filming products or cars for example, you cannot use your variable ND filter inside of your camera at the same time. To solve the problem I have two workarounds. The first one is you control your exposure with the aperture. It's simple but not cinematic. And the second one, you control your exposure with external not variable ND filter, which gives you more optical quality and no color shift. And that's pretty much it. I highly recommend you to experiment with your setup before you go on a client job. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up for the algorithm, and if you want to learn more skills for the filmmaking industry, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one.